a hit fi kill them all, just make a bump drop. All of me dogs are fully done, so we get done some. Full of energy, I'm no Red Bull, now non-stop. I saw it.
Alright now, we know what, yo, you know the routine. We want to be here for emotion in the comment section. I don't want no one comment. You see me, I say, everybody if you have 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 comments in the comment section. If you don't know what to comment some fire emojis right now.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyreke Brack, aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back in the put another video for you guys. I just want you guys to know that I'm back in the put another video for you guys. You see the set? We're back to the day one, back to square one. That's how we started. If you didn't know, if you're new to the channel, right? Or you're new to me, you need to see my face. When I just started doing videos, it was in my car, yo. And there was the most lit motherfucking shit on YouTube. Still is. Now we have King Brack. Song called So Dweet. You see me I say? On the smoke clouds rhythm. You see me I say? I big up Belize one time. Big up the whole Caribbean too. You see me I say? That me I say right now. Leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and go subscribe to the main channel. So, this is the deal. The audio reaction is going to be posted on this channel, the Tyreke reaction. The music video reaction is going to be posted on the Tyreke vlogs channel. So if you want to see the music video reactions, then Tyreke vlogs. You understand me? What that? Oh, garbage truck. And if you want to see the order them, the bad order them, over yesterday. So if you subscribe to the 2 channels, so get me to 10,000 subscribers right now. And what we're gonna do? What are we gonna do? Run tune! Yeah!
Yo, trending.
What song?
Tell them so we're trending.
You don't accept trending people.
Randy for the land.
Yo, Randy.
Big up
They had a
Randy.
big spliff and I ain't a bad man no drink brandy.
Well, what? Yeah, man, I drink brandy. Go on.
Yo, tell them me strap 7 days, but I'm not Adventist. And me wanna gonna bust, tell them me never rent this. No smile on me face, come on, no dentist shop.
Yo! He dog say him strap 7 days. And it's an Adventist. And the 7-day Adventist church this youth. And the 7-day Adventist church this. The man say him bust him own a strap. And him never rent it. Him no rent gun. Go on!
Your belly was than appendix shot. Pop off them foot, then broke up them wrist. Scatter shot a bossy, make you flip up, then twist. Them shit up, them piss, shoulda never tempt with. First date, touch a foreign, and I hit from Memphis. I saw it. I saw the gang do it. I saw it. Nah, and I lock the place, no play like.
Well, them more here for that party a while ago. More for that party. Yo, hold on, the little girl there, bumbuckler, blow bad man phone. So hold on, the dog, bumbuckle belt man. But dog, you see the man that do everything brawling. Go on.
First date, touch a foreign, and I hit from Memphis.
Yeah.
I saw it.
Yeah.
I saw the gang do it. I saw it. Nah, and I lock the place, no play like you no see it. I saw it. I saw the gang do it. I saw it.
Yeah.
Nah, and I lock the place, no play like you no see it. Smile now, them is still a laugh after. Good youth come in that he is a rasta.
That the smile over we still a laugh after. That is walla. Go on.
Saw it. Nah, and I lock the place, no play like you no see it. Smile now, them is still a laugh after. Good youth come in that he is a rasta. Them kill me friend, them and turn me in a monster. All of my brother God can't get no answer. I'm more gonna buy a me no need a sponsor. Me send a hit fi kill them all, just make a bump drop. All of me dogs are fully done, so we get done some. Full of energy, I'm no Red Bull, now non-stop. I saw it.
Alright now, we know what, yo, you know the routine. We want to be here for emotion in the comment section. I don't want no one comment. You see me I say, everybody if you have 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 comments in the comment section. If you don't know what to comment some fire emojis right now. Run tune!
I saw the gang do it. I saw it. Nah, and I lock the place, no play like you no see it.
Big up now, Dad.
I saw it.
You hear that? I say big up the entire Belize. I say big up everybody from Belize. Big up the whole Belize. You see me I say, I'm gonna big up everybody too. Big up yourself. Yeah. Big up yourself. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video. See me I start doing that again. The reaction boss is back in the dog. Belize might not really know, say some do the thing that, but we should put in the comments over there so and thing and the video nice and everything. You see me, I say, it's start back. So just comment right now if you want to see your comment in the next video I'm going to post. So you can comment anything you want to comment. You could comment to that girl who smashed last night, pum tight. You go see it over there, son. You understand me? So just drop a comment right now and drop a like if you don't like the video. If you comment one, me not like you. You know if you have no one set a comment in my comment section. If you comment 2, you know so we don't play a number there already. Say if you have 3 to 4 to 5 comment in my comment section. So just drop a like and a comment. And that also helps rap. Hey, that's me I welcome here so bad, bro. Bomba clock there. But that also helps ranks the video more. You see me I say. And this will also push out the song more. And you just want to put music to everybody face, make them see this. Say I saw we do it. Go on!
I saw it. I saw the gang do it. I saw it. Nah, lock the place, no play like you no stop 7 days, but I not Adventist. And me wanna gonna bust tell them me never rent this. No smile on me face, come on, no dentist. Shot bust in your belly 7 days, but I not Adventist. And me wanna gonna bust tell them me never rent this. No smile on me face, come on, no dentist. Shot
smile like the bumbo clock. When you hear the man just say a while ago, don't smell in them face, you know why you not do that, dog? Because the dog make you know say man on a bumbuckle belt dentist. The dog is not a dentist, so the man don't want nobody to smell in them face, you know, dog. So if you smell like, yo. Don't smell in the dog face. Because the dog is not a dentist. Go on!
See now your belly was than appendix shot 7 days, but I not Adventist. And me wanna gonna bust tell them me never rent this. No smile on me face, come on, no dentist. Shot bust in your belly was than appendix shot. Pop off them foot, then broke up them wrist. Scatter shot a bossy make you flip up, then twist them shit.
Shot pop off them foot, then bust up them wrist. Bumbo clot! When lyrics that give a which part kick back the front of the line to blood clot. People are Belize him come from. Yeah man. Go on!
Them piss shoulda never temple. First day touch a foreign and I hit from Memphis.
Guess I know some of the blood
clot. Yes,
hey.
Go check out as him said that. Go check out him song on him. Well on the Ross. We shall be someone, but here this is the bumbo class clipping. The plane has crashed with the coke to blood clot. Yes or no, so what the blood clot is, boy. I come here and say, go check out him song name, see that. This is also a Skillibeng coke remix. Him do it, King Brack, go check it out, he bought. You see me I say. But he never use this in a film remix, like Skillibeng song, he use that in a.
This shit I never temple. First day touch a foreign and I hit from Memphis.
Guess I know some of the blood clot, just a boy.
Hey.
In gear coke?
No, son, not like that. You sniff things, eh?
I saw it.
The plane just crash big coke, eh? The plane just crash big coke, eh?
Nah, lock the place, no play like you no see it. I saw it. I saw the gang do it. I saw it. Nah, lock the place, no play like you no see it.
Watch me now. Don't tell one and say my question. You understand me?
Don't tell one.
I never tell him say you
Guess the show down
informed
below
on
in the
him.
comment section,
You
right
understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm about to make me catch you again. Run way.
Right now, that's the thing there. If you have made it to the end of this video, right now, I want everybody who made it to the end of the video, who watched the video to that part, right? So that part, right? So when I talk to you, comment the numeral 1 down below in the comment section. 1. Number 1. Know that already. Big up on the steps, me the boy Tyreke as the reaction boss. And if everybody don't know, so me I post so go make them know, so me I post on the channel 3 times a day. Yeah, 3 times. 3 times every day on this channel. Tyreke Vlogs. You don't know, so when I get the music video reaction over. So anytime bad music video them drop, when I get them. You see me I say. And spoiler alert, I post 3 times every 2 days over there. So, but if a bad song drop, you might get it for the next day, the day after. You know what thing go. Go and subscribe, like, comment, tell a friend about the reaction boss. Signing out. Peace.